This avocado chocolate mousse is rich, creamy, and so delicious. You'll want to make this recipe because it's a healthy alternative to traditional chocolate mousse. It's naturally dairy-free, egg-free, and there's no refined sugars. For this recipe, you'll want to use ripe avocados because they will give you that rich, creamy texture. Start by scooping out the avocado and putting it in the blender. Next, you're going to add the unsweetened cocoa powder, our sweetener. I'm using maple syrup, but you can use coconut sugar or agave. Then you're going to add full-fat coconut milk, but you can use any regular plant-based milk. And vanilla extract. Did you know that vanilla helps to bring out the chocolate flavor? Then you blend all of the ingredients until they're smooth and creamy. And this is what the chocolate mousse looks like. You can see that it's super chocolatey and super creamy. I'm just gonna pour it into a serving dish. If you're looking for another chocolate dessert recipe, then be sure to watch my fudgy vegan brownie video. I hope you enjoyed this avocado chocolate mousse recipe, and if you make it, be sure to let me know in the comments section down below how they turned out. Oh yes, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tasty vegan dessert recipes. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.